Sometimes while we are doing some problems, we may get some doubts whether this number is divisible by 3 or not, or is divisible by 7 or not. If you want to know whether these numbers are divisible by 3 or 7 or any other digits, let us learn the divisibility rules of digits. Divisibility rules. Let us see the first 2-digit. If a number is divisible by 2, then the units digit in the given number is even number. For example, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4. This number is divisible by 2 or not. We need not to do all the calculation. We just observe the unit digit in this number. What is the unit digit? The unit digit is 4. 4 is a even number. In the unit digit, if we have 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0, then the entire number is divisible by 2. What is the divisibility rule of 2? In the given number, the unit digit is either 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. The entire number is divisible by 2. Let us see one example. 7, 5, 2, 4, 6. Is this number is divisible by 2? Yes. How can you say? This 6 is a even number. Therefore, this entire number is divisible by 2. Let us check it out. 7, 5, 2, 4, 6. By using division, 2 3s are 6. Remainder is 1. You can take 5. 2 7s are 14. 1, 2. 2 6 are 12. And you can take 4. 2 2s are 4. You can take 6. 2 3s are 6. And the remainder is 0. Therefore, this number is exactly divisible by 2. Okay, what is the divisibility rule of 2? In a given number, the unit digit is either 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, then the entire number is divisible by 2. Now let's move to 3. What is the divisibility rule of 3? Is this number is divisible by 3 or not? How can you know this number is divisible by 3? We just add all the digits. 1, 5 plus 7 plus 6 plus 4. This is 23. This 23 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, this number is not divisible by 3. What is the divisibility rule of 3? In a given number, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the entire number is divisible by 3. 2, 4, 5, 7. Is this number is divisible by 3? Let us check it out. Add all the digits. 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7. Add it 6, 9, 18. This 18 is divisible by 3. Therefore, this entire number is divisible by 3. We'll see whether it is divisible by 3 or not with the division method. 3 8s are 24. Take 5. 3 1s are 3. Remainder is 2. You can take 7. 3 9s are 27. The remainder is 0. Therefore, this number is exactly divisible by 3. So that is a divisibility rule of 3. If a number is divisible by 3, then the sum of the digits must be divisible by 3. If 2, 4, 5, A, 7, 2. If this number is divisible by 3, what is the possible value of A? If this number is divisible by 3, what is the possible value of A? Just add all the digits. 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus A plus 7 plus 2. This is 6, 11, 18, 20. 20 plus A. 20 is not divisible by A. If you add either 1, then the 21 is divisible by 3. 21 is divisible by 3. Therefore, the value of A is maybe 1, or if you add 4, 24 is also divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3 8s are, maybe A value 4. If you add 7, it is also divisible by 3. Therefore, the possible values of A either 1, 4 or 7. Maybe you will ask the same question in another way. What is the least value of A, the number which can be divisible by 3? The least value of A is 1. What is the highest value of A which can be divisible by 3 is 7. This is the divisibility rule of 3. Next, 4. What is the divisibility rule of 4? If a number is divisible by 4, then the last 2 digits of the number must be divisible by 4. We need not to check all the digits, we just observe the last 2 digits are divisible by 4 or not. See, obviously 48 is divisible by 4. Therefore, this entire number is divisible by 4. Is this number is divisible by 4? Let us check. We will observe only the last 2 digits. 56. Is this 56 is divisible by 4? Yes. 4 1s are 4. The remainder is 6. 16. 4 4s are. Therefore, this 56 is exactly divisible by 4. Therefore, this entire number is divisible by 4. Therefore, what is the condition for divisibility rule of 4? The last 2 digits of a number must be divisible by 4. Is 54200. Is this number is divisible by 4? Yes. If last 2 digits are zeros, then the number must be divisible by 4. Let us see one example. 74256 A. Is this number, if this number is divisible by 4, what are the possibility values of A? Let us check. Last two digits must be divisible by 4. It may be 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68 and 69. Among these 10 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Among these 10 numbers, 60 is divisible by 4. And again, 64 is divisible by 4. And again, 68 is divisible by 4. Therefore, the possible values of A are either 0 or 4 or 8. If this number is divisible by 4, what is the least value of A? It is 0. What is the maximum value of A? It is 8. This is the divisibility rule of 4. If a number is divisible by 4, then the last two digits must be divisible by 4. 5. What is the divisibility rule of 5? How can you know whether the number is divisible by 5 or not? Very simple. If the unit digit of a given number is either 5 or 0, then the number is divisible by 5. In a given number, the unit digit is either 5 or 0. Then the entire number is divisible by 5. This unit digit may be either 5 or 0. Then this entire number is divisible by 5. Let us see. 2, 4, 5, 6, 5. Is this number is divisible by 5? Yes, because the unit digit is 5. Let us check. 24 will go 5 4 times. 20. Remainder is 4, 5, 9, 45. You take 6. 1s are 5. The remainder is 1. 5, 5 3s are 15. The remainder is 0. Therefore, this entire number is divisible by 5. If in place of 5, if you substitute 0, here you can keep 0. This 10 will go 2 times. The remainder is 0. Again, this number is divisible by 5. If a number is divisible by 5, the unit digit is either 5 or 0. He may ask a question like this. 7425A. What is the least digit of A so that the number is divisible by 5? It is very simple. A must be 0. What is the maximum value of A so that the entire number is divisible by 5? The answer is 5. If a number is divisible by 6, it must be divisible by both 2 and 3. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6. For example, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4. Is this number is divisible by 6 or not? Let us check whether this number is divisible by 2 and 3. If you observe the last digit, it is 4. If it is a even number, this entire number is divisible by 2. Let us see whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. If it is a divisible by 3, the sum of the digits must be divisible by 3. 9, 15, 17, 21. Therefore, 21 is divisible by 3. Therefore, this number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Therefore, this entire number is divisible by 6. Let us check whether it is divisible by 6 or not. 4, 5, 6 to 4 by division method. 6 7s are 42, 36, 6 6 are 36. Take 0, can take 6 4s are 24. The remainder is 0. Therefore, this entire number, since we get 0 as a remainder, this entire number is divisible by 6. This is the divisibility rule of 6. If a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, if it is divisible by 2 and it is not divisible by 3, this number may not divisible by 6. If it is divisible by 3 and it is not divisible by 2, even this number may not divisible by 6. The number should be divisible by both 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6.